Your floors are one of the biggest investments you'll make in your home. But here's the real question. How do you hire the right contractor to get the job done? In today's video, we'll go over the signs of a great flooring contractor, the red flags to watch out for, and how to make sure you don't get stuck with a bad installation. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what makes a great contractor stand out. Here's what you should look for. First, make sure they have great communication. If they don't show up on time to their appointment or don't answer their calls when you call them, you should probably find another company. You want to work with someone who listens to your needs, explains the process, and keeps you updated every step of the way, even if any issues arise. You also want a contractor who will keep their work area clean and well organized to make your life easier. You can do this by checking online reviews to see if previous clients have had any issues in the past. But sometimes, even if people have a bad experience, they unfortunately don't leave a review. Or they might have a bad installation without knowing it. But how? Here are the red flags to look for to see if your contractor is cutting corners. First of all, if your contractor seems to be rushing the project, he might be skipping some crucial steps and making some big mistakes along the way. Like preparing the subfloor. Almost every single subfloor has some type of corrections that need to be made. The first step after removing your old floors is to check your entire floor with a big 10-foot straight edge or a 10-foot level. This will ensure they find all the low spots and high spots on your floor. Then they can begin addressing these problem areas by grinding away all the high spots and then filling in the low spots with a leveling compound. This often adds more time to the project, but it ensures that you get everything done right the first time. What does it mean if your contractor isn't doing this though? Well, it means that your floor isn't going to be as durable and it's not going to last as long as you thought. Installing over an uneven subfloor means that your floor can be uncomfortable. They can start to separate and it can also fail within a few years. So, what should you do to find the right contractor? First, see if they mention subfloor preparation during your consultation. If not, ask how they handle subfloor preparation. And if they really know what they are talking about, they would gladly show you previous work and explain how it's done. If they don't mention anything about grinding or leveling, they are most likely not going to prepare your floor according to the manufacturer standards. One more thing about a great flooring contractor is that they will inspect the entire project with you to make sure you get a perfect installation and you are completely satisfied. Now you know what it takes to hire the right contractor. But is it worth doing the installation yourself? Come back next week to find out.